Everything you need to know about coordinating conjunctions in 5 minutes. These conjunctions are linking words and they're used to join two or more different ideas in the same sentence. There are 7 of these coordinating conjunctions and they're called FANBOYS. They're called FANBOYS because if you line them up, the first letter of each word spells out FANBOYS. Forget about for. The others, though, are all very useful. For is old-fashioned and not used anymore. This is how they work. You see there's a comma first and then there's a conjunction. It's very important to close the first idea in the sentence with a comma and then use the conjunction to open the second idea in the sentence. This conjunction is and. When you see and, you know you're going to get more information, more of the same. We have 2 ideas in this sentence. I'm glad you came. I appreciate your help. Very similar ideas, so and is used to join them. Be careful though that and, of course, is also used to join 2 single words, tea and coffee, up and down. In this case, you don't need the comma. Nor is not a common word, certainly not as common as and. It's only used to join 2 negative ideas, and the conjunction affects the word order in the second part of the sentence. So we have 2 negative statements. Officials shouldn't ask for money, and the second one is the public shouldn't offer any money. And they're joined by nor. So shouldn't becomes nor should the public offer any. But is very commonly used, and it's used to introduce a contradictory or opposing idea. We have 2 ideas in this example. First of all, someone claims that he's climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. He says it's true. The second idea is that other people say it's not true, they don't believe him. So these opposing ideas are linked with but. When or is used, it's introducing an alternative, so we have an option or a choice. In this sentence, there are 2 options. The first one is you pick up the report, and the second one is I pick up the report. And because it's a question, the reader or the listener knows that they can choose, they can decide which one. Yet means the same as but. It's not as commonly used as but it can be used interchangeably. Normally, though, people would use yet if they want to emphasize a stronger or more surprising contrast between the first and the second idea. In this example, the first idea is that someone is an atheist. They don't believe in anything supernatural like gods or ghosts. And the second idea is that that person goes to a supernatural thing like a fortune teller for business advice. So that is a very odd contrast. So yet is appropriate there. The last one is so. The idea that follows so is usually an implication, something that will need to be done in order for the first idea to take place, or perhaps a prediction what will happen as a result of the first idea. Let's quickly review. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions called FANBOYS. Forget about for, and, nor, but, or yet. So are very important. Commas are very important after the first idea and before the conjunction. These look like the same. They're kind of interchangeable, but yet has a stronger sense of opposition or contrast. And means more information, more of the same really, no surprises. These 2 words are not opposites. They look like they might be, but they're not. Or offers a choice or an alternative, and it's very commonly used in spoken and written English. Nor is not commonly used. It's only used to join two negative sentences, two negative ideas, and the word order changes in the second part of the sentence, so nor has a very academic and formal feel to it. The last one, so, introduces an implication from the first idea or predicts a result based on the first idea. That's everything you need to know about FANBOYS. If you found it interesting, please give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to add it in the comments. Please share the knowledge. There is a part 2, a review quiz. You're welcome to take the quiz, and I look forward to seeing you over at part 2 review quiz.